We're discussing about places tools on the platform. Down below in the navigation bar you can find for app marketplacer. Search for places tool. You have to install it first. It's up to you. You want to install on any of your specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts or you can choose them all. It's up to you. If you choose them all, it will also allow you to enable automatic future installations. But for now, we will be choosing only a single specific sub account, that is location one. Continue with that. Allow and install. In a moment, it will be installed. As you can see, it is successfully installed now. The next step will be moving forward towards the agency level. We are. It just takes a while. So in the meanwhile, we will discuss the next step, that is moving forward towards the specific sub account, that is location one. Here we go. Choose location one from here, and here we are. Here we are. Ignore. So find for the automations and create a workflow to just check on the actions are working correctly or not on the sub account level. Create a workflow and start from scratch. We are in the workflow builder. Let's just check what places tools is providing us right now. Here it is. You can just check the world time, weather, time zone, and the air quality. Let's just check air quality. Fine for Lahore because it is bad in air quality. Save this action. Now we will be testing our workflows. Run this test and head towards the execution logs. As you can see, the action has been executed successfully now. It is that simple and easy. I hope you like it. Thank you so much.